the underhand C cap. So it's, yes, extension out and down, extension up, out and down, extension up, out and down, extension up, out and down. So for this one, the turn is from the bottom, you go all the way around to the top and then anti-spin down. Let's say we're doing the left turn first. You're at the bottom, you come up over the top, back around to the bottom, then up to the top, then anti-spin down. You come all the way around to the bottom, then go all the way up and anti-spin down. All the way around to the bottom, anti-spin up and back down. So it's like you're in the cap, you finish a cap, you come down to the bottom, you go all the way around, and then you start another cap. When you get to the bottom, you start the cap, you go up, and then you anti-spin down. So it's the same pattern as when you're overhand. You do 1.5 turns in the extension, only it's bottom to top instead of top to bottom. So we'll start with 4 caps. We'll go cap, then 2, then 3. Now on this 4th one, when you come down, turn to the left, then come all the way up and go 1 cap, and 2 caps, and 3 caps, and 4 caps, and now turn to the left, and then go up in 1 cap, and 2 caps, and 3 caps, and 4 caps, and all the way up and around, and 1 cap, and 2 caps, and 3 caps, and 4 caps, and all the way around, all the way around, all the way around. Now let's try to go to the right. 2 caps, 3 caps, 4 caps. Now spin all the way around to the right, come down to the bottom, and then back up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, spin all the way around to the right, shoot, 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 up, 2, 3, 4, spin to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, spin to the right, up and back down. 5, 6, 7, and 4 caps, 1, and 2, and 3. And now on this 4th one, we're turning left, coming back around to the bottom, then up to the top in 1, and 2, and 3. Now on this 4th one, we're going to turn to the right, up, around, and cap 1, cap 2, cap 3, cap 4, turning left, and up, and 2, and 3, and 4, turning to the right, and around, and up, 2, 3, 4, turning left, and around, and up, 2, 3, 4 to the right, and up, 2, 3, and 4 to the left, and up, and 2, and 3, and 4 to the right, and down. 3, let's go to the right first this time, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2. Now this 3rd time, turn to the right, 360, and 1, 2, 3. Now turn to the left, and 1, 2, and 3. Turn to the right, 1, 2, 3. Turning left, 1, 2, 3. Turning right, and 1, 2, 3. Turning left, 1, 2, 3. Turning right, 1, 2, 3. Turning left, 1, 2, 3. Turning right, 1, 2, 3. Turning left and down.